This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I've just walked into Unit 1209, a one-bedroom facing east. Looking at high ceilings, plank flooring that continues throughout the unit, kitchen with white lacquer look and contrasting dark espresso brushed cabinetry, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, built-in microwave, again contrasting gray and white quartz counters, a wide farm-style sink, built-in microwave, dishwasher of course. This great breakfast bar peninsula is wide enough to easily seat 4, and there's pendant lighting up above. There's an entry to the bath, off to the right as you would have entered the unit, and a coat closet. I'm being drawn across a large living dining area out toward these great windows. Floor to ceiling, shaded by roller blinds, looking out over a spectacular array of playing fields. Clarendon Park has tennis courts, basketball court, softball fields, soccer, looking out toward a football field in Lincoln Park across the way. Additional soccer and playground space. Montrose Harbor, 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course. 811 also has a spectacular set of amenities with a pool deck that spans about 50,000 square feet. Fitness center, resident lounges, co-working space, you name it, it's here. Heading into a generously sized bedroom that can easily accommodate a king-size bed, and has another wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, and enough space to accommodate a home office in the bedroom too if you wanted one. There's a sliding pocket door off the bedroom that opens into walk-through closet with a front-loading stacked washer-dryer, shelving, hanging space off to the right, and a nice sized bath with a wide vanity that has two banks of drawers. There's a designer light framed mirror up above, and a soaking tub with a rain shower head in the shower. Great unit, lots of space for a one-bedroom here. If you're looking for a one-bedroom that's quite a bit larger than the average, you really want to put this one, and you definitely want to have 811 on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.